Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make apple butter muffins. These are absolutely delicious. They're super quick. I'm telling you, so quick. And the good news is if you don't want to use apple butter to stuff the muffin in the center, you can use whatever you want. You can use Nutella, chocolate, whatever floats your boat. But again, they're super easy, super delicious. Ours were gone within an hour. The recipe makes 12. So easy, so delicious, so quick. I cannot say that enough. And as always, if you like the video, make sure that you give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. All right, guys, enjoy. Bye.